If you've been living with sciatic nerve pain, that sharp burning sensation that shoots from your lower back down your leg, you know how debilitating it can be. It's not just discomfort. It's the loss of movement, sleep, and peace of mind. Most people turn to painkillers, injections, or even surgery. But what if the real solution didn't come from a pharmacy, but from your own body's ability to heal? New research reveals that sciatica isn't just about pinched nerves. It's about inflammation, nerve compression, and disrupted circulation. And the key to reversing it may lie in what you do before bed. That's why thousands are now turning to a breakthrough protocol designed to deliver real sciatica relief naturally. It's a formula that supports your nervous system, reduces inflammation, and helps your body repair itself while you sleep. This isn't a temporary fix. It's a long-term solution that works with your body, not against it. People are reporting life-changing results. Sciatic nerve pain reduced or eliminated in just days, improved mobility and flexibility, deep, uninterrupted sleep, no more dependence on opioids or harsh medications. This natural pain relief protocol is backed by science and inspired by a Nobel-Prize discovery. It's designed to activate your body's healing response at night, when your nervous system is most receptive. If you've tried everything and nothing worked, if you're tired of waking up in pain and going to bed with fear, then stay with me. Because what you're about to discover could finally bring the nighttime pain relief you've been searching for. No prescriptions, no surgeries, just real nerve support, and a chance to move, sleep, and live pain-free again.